Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is 10th of November 2020. We are studying science, and we are going to take a new unit today. Today we are going... Hello, dear. Hello. It's Unit 4, Lesson 1. What are population, habitat, and niches? Do you have any idea?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, Leon?
Habitats, I think, let me start by population. Population means like living things on one like group. Let's say
Wow, I'm impressed.
Animals, plants, and people are in one group, not with non-living things. That would be ecosystem.
You are very close, yeah, Leanne. I'm so impressed. Thank you very much. You are very close to the right answer. How about if we watch a video first about our lesson and then we will discuss?
Okay.
Do you like the idea?
Okay.
Yay. Okay, so we need to stop recording now. I'll just pause recording. After you watch the video, we are going to discuss what we saw, okay?
See you after 5 minutes.
Yes, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, guys, 3 minutes. Okay. Guys, after watching the video, we learned about population, habitat, and niches. One more thing we learned about is ecosystem, which is the largest. The largest. Can you tell me, Alayan? The largest of them all.
Yes, it's an ecosystem.
Of course, it's an ecosystem. Very good. Now we are going to find the word ecosystem and underline the definition. But before that, look at this question over here. Bears are rarely found in groups. Why are many bears in this stream at the same time? Why they are here? Yes, Maria. Yes, Maria.
I want to catch fish together.
Yes, excellent, excellent, excellent. So bears come together in large group only when food is plentiful. So they don't need to compete for it. That's why they never come in groups, but when there's plenty of food, they are going to come in groups to take food and not compete on them, okay? The words we are going to learn in this lesson is ecosystem, niche, community, producers, populations, habitat, consumers, and decomposers. Today, we are going to cover up the ecosystem, community, population, habitat, and niche. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
So, who lives where? Rainforests have rainy weather. Deserts have dry weather. Each place meets the need of the organism that lives in it. So if you are asking about who lives where, which word describes this place? Is it ecosystem, population, habitat, or niche? Huh? Liana, do you have any idea?
What, teacher?
Who lives where? When I ask about who lives where, the animals, if I told you that rainforests have rainy weather, deserts have dry weather, each place meet needs for organism that lives in it. So some animals will live in desert, some of them will live in rainy forest. So rainy forest and desert, what is it? Is it a habitat, niche, or population? What do you think?
It's
Remember the video we watched just now?
population.
Are you sure? Let's see, Rayana. Thank you. Yes, it's a habitat. Thank you. Yes, it's a habitat. Excellent. Very good. So the home for these organisms is a habitat. But first, what's an ecosystem? Who can tell me? Read the line that describes ecosystem.
Teacher, I want to tell you.
Yes, yeah, Maria. What's an ecosystem?
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go to the bathroom.
An ecosystem, for example, is like, an ecosystem may be large as a lake or as small as the area under a rock. Ecosystems are found everywhere. Organisms live and interact in water and on land.
Excellent. So ecosystem, this is the word over here. Sorry, this is the word. And we have to underline that ecosystems are found everywhere. Organisms live and interact. They have to interact to say this is an ecosystem in water or land. So it can be everywhere. Again, Talia, can you read for me what's an ecosystem?
I want to read.
You will.
An ecosystem may be as large as a lake or as small as the area around the rock. Ecosystems are found everywhere. Organisms live and interact in water or land.
Excellent. The most important thing that they interact, okay? Living and non-living interact. We need each other. The zebras are drinking from the water. Zebras are a living thing. Water is non-living thing. Okay, guys? Let's go next and see the second word. All right, over here. The giraffe will live, of course, in the African savanna, but a werewolf will live in the polar ecosystem. So each one prefer a different ecosystem. Why? So they can find shelter, food, or even mates, so they can have offsprings. So a werewolf's thick layer of fat and fur keep it warm in the cold polar system. And a giraffe finds shelter and food among the tall trees in the African savanna. So African savanna and polar is a ecosystem. Okay, guys? Let's see nearby neighbors.
All right.
You and your neighbors are part of community. So over here in our book, we are going from largest to the smallest, okay? Largest is the ecosystem, as we said, and before ecosystem comes the community. Community is about neighbors. Who are your neighbors, okay? Plants and animals from communities too. Now, let's see. Lynn, can you tell me what is a community? Let's underline together.
A community is made up for all the organisms that live in the same place.
Excellent. Excellent. All the organisms that lives in the same place. So if you find the zebras with the giraffe, with the monkeys, all of these are community. Why? Because all of them are neighbors. So all together, they make up a community. All right? Natural and human activities change communities over time. We know that. Fires kill some organisms, but many more survive. Okay? So we can affect the community either in a good way or sometimes in a bad way. Maybe we don't mean to, but we have to be careful. Now, what is population? Yeah, Leanne, what is population?
A population is a group made up of the same type of an individual.
Excellent. Can you give me an example?
In the same ecosystem. Let's say people
if they are in the same ecosystem.
Okay.
Like their groups.
Okay,
Let's say
is it
bears,
people and
like
animal?
bears. No, alone. Only people.
Excellent. This is population. What about group of elephants? Are they population?
Yes.
Group of
Alone.
elephants lives together in one place. We call them population of elephant. What about fishes in one area? Are they population?
Yes.
Excellent. They have to be the same type. So you can say this is a population of zebra. This is a population of elephant. This is a population of monkey. But together, population of zebra and monkey and elephant, together they make up what?
Together, they will make up all living things will make a community if all non-living and living things will make a ecosystem.
Very good, very good. Okay, dear, for the one who was asking about the page number, it's page number 176. It's here down. It's page 176, okay?
176.
Miss, what
and
if
miss?
it was?
Yes, Rayana?
I said, what if it was a type of animal, but it's the same animal, but another type? Like an elephant, and it has another type, but it's still an elephant.
Again.
Like
give me an example. You mean like lion?
No, I said elephant, but it have something like going like that, or something in his nose.
But it's still elephant. Do you call it an elephant or not?
Yeah.
Okay, group of elephant, we call it population. If it's a group of elephant, it is population. And if it's group of elephant and group of monkeys, they make up a community. They make up neighbors, so they are a community. Now it's clear, Rayana?
Miss?
Okay.
So population can be very small group or large group. It's okay, like this ants. Look, a population may have few members of hundreds of them of living close together, or few, only 3 or 4, okay? Elephant, antepoles, rhinoceros, and cattle, eagles, all make up a community. Why? Who can tell me why they live in a community in the savanna ecosystem? Why they make up a community, Ariana? Tell me.
Because it's a type of animal like an elephant and...
Excellent, because they are different. Very, very good. Excellent. Now, a place of one's own. Now, let's see what does that mean. All organisms have the same basic needs. We know that. What are their needs? Organisms, all the living things, they need the same thing. Do they need food?
Yes.
Do they need shelter?
Yes.
Water?
Yes.
Yes.
Air?
Of course.
So these are the basic needs, definitely, and all of them need the same basic need. Different organisms meet their needs in a number of ways. So there is a lot of ways. We are going to read and find about where organisms find what they need in an ecosystem.
But Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
I mean, what if there was if there was like fish, but there was a fish like catfish and also like tuna fish?
Okay.
If they came together, will they be a population?
No.
What?
No, they are gonna make a community because they are different.
But they're still fish.
Yes, but there are different type of fishes.
Have to say, like that.
Yeah, I got what Rayana wanted to say.
Okay, now I understand. Now I understand. Okay, guys, now back here again. Over here, If an animal finds all the basic needs in one place, we call it something. For example, look at tadpoles. Mosquito
They're
larvae
so creepy.
and tadpoles often share the same habitat. They use the same resources for food and shelter. So that makes you think, what is a habitat? Hi, Talia. Can you open the mic, Talia?
Talia, we don't hear you.
Talia, hello?
Talia.
Talia.
Oh, I think you
Talia.
have a
She
problem
said
with your
hey.
mic. Okay. Now,
They hear us, but we don't hear her.
yeah, I
You can
know.
rejoin.
Okay, no, we still have only 3 minutes, so I want you to tell me, what is a habitat? Yes, Yarayana.
A habitat is the physical part of the ecosystem that
Teacher, I wasn't done.
meet the need of an organism.
Excellent, excellent. So a habitat
Teacher, I
is
wasn't
the
done
physical...
writing.
I didn't tell you to write anything. I didn't ask you to write, my dear. Okay? A habitat is what? Is physical part of the ecosystem that meets the need of organism. So if a tadpole will live in a pond, then it will meet the need of air, shelter, water, and food and everything. So this is its habitat. Okay? What about the horse's habitat? Where can I find horses? What is the horse's habitat? Yes, Leanne.
Farm.
Where? Farm. Okay. Why you said farm?
Because they're not the because wait because they
Are
are
going to meet their needs in the farm. They will find shelter, food, air, and everything.
Also in the farm there is no predator.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
he can
Okay.
eat the
So it can defend itself also. Very good. This is a habitat. A habitat is just like a house or a home for some
Can you hear me
living thing. Yes, I can hear you now, Talia. Very good. Now, that leaves us to niche. If this animal have a role in this habitat, we call it a niche. Every organism in a habitat has a role or has a niche. For example, what is the role of the, let's see, of the tree swallow? Look at the tree swallow, what he's doing.
What is it doing? It's catching fish.
No, catching a mosquito. It's eating a mosquito. So if it's eating a mosquito or insect, this is the role that the tree swallow plays. The tree swallow is eating some insect, so insect cannot be growing in a markable way, so no one can stop them. So niche is all about a role. What is the role of this organism? What is the role of this living thing? What is the role of this thing over here in the habitat? So if it has a role, we call it a niche, okay? I want you to identify two organisms that share food or other resources in one ecosystem. Look at this picture. What and what? They share, yes, Yalayan.
They share
Air
and food
and
and the ecosystem.
Excellent. They are in, and they are sharing the resources. See, they are sharing the same resources, the same resource of food, shelter, and house. So they live in one ecosystem. Excellent, excellent. The adult frog and the tree swallow compete for some of the same resources. They both eat insects. Okay? Now,
Okay. Miss,
are you
we don't
familiar?
call it ecosystem. We call it community.
No, ecosystem is where everyone lives. Okay?
Miss,
Yes.
time's up.
Okay, guys. So we are from, and now we know what's an ecosystem, community, population, habitat, and niche. Next time, I'm going to ask you about them. So please, guys, make sure that you memorize it and learn about it more. If you want to watch a video, you can go to YouTube, type ecosystem, community, population, habitat, or niche, and you will find plenty of videos about it. Please, guys, if you have any question, I'll take it next time. So see you tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.
Or we should write
Bye-bye.
We have English, guys.